we've at George Salter Academy, we've had Stephen in for 4 different year groups, I think now. 9, 10, 11, and all of our post 16. And we've also had the online videos. And every time students have left motivated, amazed at your story, and they've all been so engaged in the topic, especially today with the sixth formers. They've got a lot from it. And so I just want to say thank you very much for coming in, giving up your time and inspiring our students and showing them that they really can go on to do anything.
I do believe they can do that, honestly. And if I may add, this school has one of the best facilities. The theatre alone, I love being in it, and I want to say a massive thank you to you for organising, Sam, and also all the lovely teachers for, bringing the students, and also the main thank yous for the students. They were so engaged all the way throughout, and the positive feedback and the laughter and the energy. Massive thank you for that. And I want to wish you all the best, sixth form. University, if you go on to that, all the best. Some of you will do apprenticeships, I'm sure, and some of you will go into the workplace. But if you approach it with hard work first, I know you're going to succeed. I want to thank you for having me and also being so engaged with my talk today. And I want to wish you the very, very, very best, and hopefully see you soon out there, most of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.